First thing you want to do is you want to start cutting behind this back dorsal fin, and you cut it all the way up to the head. You just want to get that thin layer of skin off the back. And you flip that back and you snap their head. See their guts pop out right there? Then you just want to sever that little spine in there. There's a spine. And then take your pliers and grab them by their little backbone right there. You grab them by that backbone and you simply just pull their skin right off their body. And their heads, guts, skin, everything comes out right there. All you got is a nice piece of meat. You got a little liver right there that hangs on, but you can wash that out. That's it. Nice little meat fillet.